me, Jenny. How is everyone doing today? Okay, I am going to show you guys a really fun little project that I am creating right now as we speak. So, I want to gift my co-workers these chocolates, which I thought they were so cute for Halloween. I love the way they're packed so well. And so I wanted to make an embellishment for them. So I kind of thought about adding these embellishments that we made together on our last video. But I quickly changed my mind because I want to add these to the Halloween socks that I'm going to be gifting them. Then I thought, okay, maybe I want to use these, but I think that this is too big for the box, unless I put it like right in the center, and I don't want to cover the Halloween little decoration in the front. So I'm going to use these for chocolate bars. And what I decided to do is I'm going to actually use these adorable little embellishments to actually add to those little chocolates. I made these really quickly. Literally, I made them like in a few minutes. I just wanted to add something fun in front of the chocolate, and I'm going to show you guys how I made this. I made it like in no time. I already have 4 made here because that's the ones I'm going to use for these 4 chocolates, but I want to show you really quickly how I did it. So just find yourself a sticker that has a cute little pumpkin, you know, either pumpkin or whatever that is Halloween inspired. It doesn't have to be pumpkin. It could be really anything. I'm just using pumpkins because obviously I love these foam stickers. I just thought they were awesome. These are the ones from Michael. I'm going to create my little face so that I can show you how I am doing this. Okay, so I'm going to use, I had this last one, but I'm going to use this one as the face for my little embellishment. Okay, just like I used this adorable little pumpkin. And I'm going to create a little witch hat like I did here. And I have these 2 stickers that I got at Dollar Tree quite a while ago. Just go through your stash and see what stickers you have that you can use. I layered 2 witch hats together so it can kind of give like the nice little funky look to it. You can use any witch hats you have. I also have these from the Dollar Tree that I bought a while ago. You can really use anything, or you can create your own as well. And what I want to do is I want to add the little witch hat right on top of my pumpkin. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to literally just chop off a little bit of this backing, just like that. I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue, and I'm going to glue this to my pumpkin. Right over the pumpkin, just like so. See that? How cute is that? And then we're going to add the little witch feet. I have these little witch booties that I'm going to add to them. This also came in with these stickers from the Dollar Tree. You can add any witch little booties or witch boots, or you could create your own. You don't really have to add this. I just had tons of these, so I thought it would be cute to give it a nice little, you know, fun look to it. So I'm just going to add a little bit of hot glue to my little witchy boots, and I'm going to add this right in the back of my pumpkin, just like that. And I'm going to do the same thing with the other witch booties. Just like so. And that just gives it a really fun little look to the little embellishment. I thought it was so cute. And all I did literally is just added some double-sided tape on the back of my little embellishment, and then I'm going to add it to my little chocolate box. So I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue because I don't want this to fall right in the center of my pumpkin, and hot glue right in the center of my pumpkin. Right there. Okay. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually add this to my chocolate. So let's do that together. I have my 4 little embellishments here that I already created. And I have my 4 little chocolates that I have here in front of me. All I'm going to do is, I already put the backing on this. See that? So all I'm going to do is just peel this off. And I'm going to add this right in the little corner over here of the chocolate, so that the booties are kind of sticking out a little bit. See that? Let's do this one. I thought that would be a cute way to gift the chocolates to my coworkers. It's a cute little fun Halloween look to the chocolate, and it just gives it such a cute, fun, playful look to it. Okay, and the last one is this one. Now, if you want to be more creative, you can actually add more stickers to your chocolate box if you want. So I have these little boo stickers that I think I'm going to add. So I'm going to just add a little bit of a boo sticker, and we could probably add it anywhere. Where can we add it? I'm going to add it right here. And I'm going to do the same thing with this one. So cute. How cute are these, right? They're so cute, and I love how fun they look. And instead of just giving them like a regular chocolate, it looks kind of pretty and presentable. At least to me it does. And I thought it would just look so cute. So it's so much fun to have these really fun stickers and just add them to any project, really. So look how cute these chocolates look. I love them. I think they look so cute for Halloween. Aren't they adorable? They're so cute. I thought that these would be really fun to give to them. So I'm going to bring these back, bring them with me tomorrow at work, and I'm going to gift these to them. And so we're going to be working on other little embellishments that I want to create. I want to do another little jar for them full of goodies. So we're going to be doing that next. So make sure you stay tuned. Make sure you thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to see more wonderful pictures of this wonderful project. And I hope that you guys enjoy watching me make these adorable little pumpkins. All right, my loves? Perfect. I will see you soon. I love you all. Be safe. Bye.